Over the globe today, education is not only confined to books, it's also about exploring the world with practical knowledge. Spread over 26 acres, K.R. Mangalam University is nested in the Aravali Hills. The fully residential green campus offers an idyllic and intellectually vibrant environment for every learner. Global exposure is incomplete without international collaborations. K.R. Mangalam University has proudly collaborated with many premier international universities like Middlesex University London, ESCE International Business School, and the University of Florida. Professional education and industry exposure goes hand in hand. And as an educational institution, K.R. Mangalam University has joined hands with ACE companies in every sector for a better prospect. We have collaborated with giants like Apple, Dabur, FTCI, Medanta, Google, and Sun Pharma, to name a few. Along with this, we have 400 plus recruiters from various sectors connected to our campus with a 90+% placement record over the years. We have multiple feathers in our cap, like the Best University for Innovation Award in the 3rd Asia Pacific Education and Technology Award 2020 and the Best University Award in Asia with strong industry connections by Education Post.
School of Basic and Applied Sciences extends a warm welcome to undergraduate and postgraduate students who wish to pursue their chemical and physical sciences careers. The school came into existence in 2013. We offer courses in chemistry, physics, and mathematics at undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral levels. The university provides an ambient and impeccable atmosphere for students to be ingenious, investigative, and rational. The labs are spacious and fully equipped to meet the demands of courses offered at UG and PG level. The curriculum is designed to enable students to join the industry, research laboratories, and academics. The university management and faculties aim to offer students excellent prospects by providing them good practical training and exposure to the industry through workshop, conferences, industrial visits, and guest lecture. The emphasis is on imparting knowledge through project-based and hands-on learning. Students are engaged in small research projects and get the chance to participate and publish their work in seminar and conferences. The postgraduate students in physics and mathematics who are willing to join the PhD program may be offered admission at Houston University.
I am Nishu, currently in second year of BSc Chemistry Honours at the School of Basic and Applied Sciences, K.R. Mangalam University. I get the opportunity to understand the basics of science and experiments that I have always read about. Here teachers are very well experienced in the fields of physics, chemistry and mathematics. They help us to understand the complex problems and equations. Regular visit to labs provide us outcome-based learning opportunities. Here labs are very well equipped and instruments are up to the industry standards. There are also sports facilities, gym, guest rooms and doctors to make sure that we can concentrate on our studies along with our health. Apart from this, 24/7 Wi-Fi is also available and regular breaks between the lectures so that we can remain refreshed all day long.
I invite you to join us in the quest for knowledge and excellence with the promise of an enriching, enjoyable and empowering experience at K.R. Mangalam University.